Short sentences on AI words. So the AI is giving us the words that we are looking at. There are 7 snails in the garden. The sailors will sail to America. The carpenter hammers nails into wood. Let us hail a taxi, shall we? I have lost faith in that man. Will you explain it to her? Do you have to eat again? Do you have to eat again? That man fainted at the meeting. Have you been waiting for me? Her hen laid 10 eggs. The maid went to the market. We missed the train. Dolly had not paid her fees.